You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the name of this palace located in Scotland? Known, usually referred to as the Holyrood House. Holyrood House, but it is often just referred to as Holyrood Palace in Edinburgh, Scotland, residence of the royal family. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.